Let's get you the very latest when it comes to the NEET probe, and the CBI has gone ahead and arrested the chairperson of the Jai Jalaram School. The CBI has arrested Dikshit Patel. In this particular case, he is the chief trustee of the school. After the custody, they can be presenting him before the Ahmedabad CBI judge. He was arrested late last night. The CBI has recorded the statement of Patel, the chairperson. The statement was recorded on the 27th of last month as they visited the two centres run by the same trust in Godhra and in Khera district. We have Paras joining us. Paras, what has led to the arrest? What kind of information has come to light regarding the chairperson of this particular school?
So this is the sixth arrest in this entire matter which has happened in Godhra, the NEET scam, and now the trustee of this Jai Jalaram school has been arrested by CBI. This is the first arrest by the CBI in this entire matter, and he was produced yesterday night in front of respected CBI judge in Ahmedabad. 4 days custody has been granted to CBI to investigate in this entire matter. There are several links which has been established by CBI in this entire case with Bihar, because from Bihar one person was arrested in this Gujarat Godhra NEET case. So now Dikshit Patel has been granted 4 days of CBI custody, and this CBI custody is very important for CBI to investigate more on it, because the Jai Jalaram school staff was also involved and they were also arrested by the Gujarat police, and after that the CBI took over the case and the first arrest has been made in this Gujarat Godhra NEET case. It will be very important to see what will come out of this investigation, because the link that CBI want to establish is the Bihar connection of NEET paper scam. So Dikshit Patel is trustee of Jai Jalaram school, and the staff of Jai Jalaram school has been already arrested by the Gujarat police. So this will be important thing which has been done by CBI, and it will be very interesting to see what all clues will CBI found in this entire matter now.
Right, so a private school owner has been arrested from Godhra. He's the sixth accused in the case. Paras, who all have been accused in this case? If you could get us details, get us a little background on the others involved.
So there are staff member of this Jai Jalaram school. The two staff member has been already arrested by the Gujarat police, and they were interrogated by Gujarat police. After that, CBI took over the case and they also interrogated this all 5 accused who was involved in this entire matter. The 2 staffer was also interrogated by the CBI, and after that they found that there will be some link with the trustee of this school, which is Dikshit Patel. So Dikshit Patel is also arrested, and that's why the CBI has taken 4-day custody of the trustee Dikshit Patel. So now in this entire matter there are several points which is very important, and very important to highlight is that the certain batch of students were from out of Gujarat and they got ready to give examination in Gujarati, and that was the main point where this all investigation started. So staff members are also involved in this matter, and 2 staff members were already arrested by the Gujarat police. CBI is now investigating in this entire matter and probing into this matter, and this will very important to see what all links will be established by the CBI in this entire matter.